So funny. What you doing, baby bird? That's why we don't have carpet. Go in the towel, silly. Come here. Come here. Come here, Peanut. Get in the towel. Get in the towel. Babe, hold it up for him. Oh, you're washing towels again?
No.
Come here, Peanut.
Conditioner.
You goofball. You gotta hold up like an edge of it.
Peanut.
He's so goofy.
It's a little piggy now.
Yeah.